Into Egypt our Lord came. Pharaoh refused to heed his name. The sky turned dark and the rivers ran red, to plague them until they fled. Oh, the Nile turned to blood, the fish died and the river started to swell. And the people were thirsty and they had to dig for water, and it lasted 4 to 7 days. The plague of the frogs started springing up all over their beds and their barrels. And the Lord did as Moses asked, all the frogs died and it started to stink. Come into Egypt, our Lord came. Pharaoh refused to heed his name. The sky turned dark and the rivers ran red, to plague them until they fled. And the lice swarmed like a mass of vermin, the dust turned black with a mass of lice, which tormented all of the humankind, the lion and sanguine animal. Flies came on down and covered everything, one breed after another fell, because of our Lord's wonder, and all the refuse next came back. The plague of the frogs started springing up all over their beds and their barrels. And the Lord did as Moses asked, all the frogs died and it started to stink. Come into Egypt, our Lord came. Pharaoh refused to heed his name. The sky turned dark and the rivers ran red, to plague them until they fled, to plague them until they fled. And the lice swarmed like a mass of vermin, the dust turned black with a mass of lice, which tormented all of humankind, the lion and sanguine animal. Flies came on down and covered everything, one breed after another fell, because of our Lord's wonder, and all the refuse next came back.